So I was reading through this OneManArmy page, and the first thing that stood out was this idea of a self-running AI army. Not just another chatbot, but a setup that can plan, execute, and remember like a real operation. So I was reading through this OneManArmy page, and the first thing that stood out was this idea of a self-running AI army. Not just another chatbot, but a setup that can plan, execute, and remember like a real operation.
Exactly, and the page is very clear about the angle. One person, one dashboard, and multiple AI systems working together. That's a compelling promise for anyone who wants more than prompt and pray AI.
At its core, OneManArmy is presented as a hosted AI army platform. The page says you'll see Paperclip, OpenClaw, and Hermes deployed live from one dashboard, in minutes, without writing code.
And the way they frame those bots is interesting. Paperclip is the planner, OpenClaw is the doer, and Hermes is the memory layer. So the product isn't just pitching tools, it's pitching a structure.
That matters because a lot of people can get an AI chatbot. Fewer people know how to turn that into an actual workflow. This page is clearly trying to solve that gap. If you've ever opened an AI tool and thought, okay, now what do I actually build with this? I think that's the frustration this page is speaking to.
Yes, because the page literally contrasts its approach with most AI tools that dump a blank dashboard on you. Here, the promise is a personalized deployment plan through AI Army Architect, so you don't start from zero.
That's the story angle I like here. It's not selling magic, it's selling clarity, structure, and a faster path to implementation. One of the strongest parts of the offer is that it's a live training, not just a static sales pitch. The page says you'll watch a 3-bot AI army deployed live on screen, with the founders hosting the session.
And there are 2 bonuses. The first is AI Army Architect, which you get instantly when you register. The second is a full month of complimentary AI access, but that one is for live attendees who get OneManArmy from the event itself.
That live-only bonus creates real value positioning. You're not just registering for a webinar. You're getting a custom plan up front and extra access if you show up live.
The page also mentions live cash prize giveaways, which adds some energy to the event without changing the core value of the training.
What makes this stand out is the technical friction they claim to remove. The page says no Docker, no servers, no API keys to hunt for, no terminal, and it's browser-based.
That's a big deal for a lot of buyers. If the setup really is that lightweight, then the platform is designed for speed and accessibility, especially for non-technical users.
They also say the same setup can be sold to clients, which makes this interesting for agencies, local businesses, coaches, and app companies.
Right. That client services angle is one of the page's strongest business use cases. It suggests this isn't only for internal automation, but also for service packaging.
I'd say OneManArmy is best for solo operators, agencies, and small business owners who want a more guided AI workflow instead of fiddling with technical setup.
And it also fits people who learn best by watching a live deployment. If you want to see how the system is built before you commit, that's exactly the kind of buyer this page is speaking to.
It's probably less appealing if you want a generic chatbot and nothing more. This is positioned around systems, roles, and multi-agent execution.
So the best fit user is someone who values clarity, wants a practical AI operation, and likes the idea of a no-code, hosted approach. My honest take is that OneManArmy is strongest as a live demo AI training plus hosted platform concept. The page does a good job showing a real use case, a clear mechanism, and a low-friction setup. If you're looking for a practical way to understand multi-agent AI and you like guided implementation, this is worth a closer look.
If you want to check it out, use my link in the description.